choosing the right cutting disc for carbon steel.
When working with carbon steel, whether for industrial projects, construction, or DIY tasks, selecting the appropriate cutting disc is crucial for achieving optimal results. Carbon steel, known for its strength and durability, presents unique challenges when it comes to cutting. Understanding the characteristics of cutting discs and how they interact with carbon steel can make a significant difference in performance and safety. Understanding carbon steel, types of cutting steel, abrasive cutting disc, diamond cutting disc, flat disc, choosing the right disc material, disc size and thickness, grain size, speed rating, safety considerations, maintenance and care. The conclusion: selecting the right cutting disc for carbon steel involves in understanding the material properties, disc types, and the specific requirements of your cutting task. By choosing the appropriate disc and adhering to safety practice, you can achieve efficient and effective cutting results while ensuring your safety and the longevity of your equipment.